welcome back to the cold-ridden $5 shake. Today we're gonna make Häagen Dazs Irish cream brownie. It's all a bit nasally. The daughter's gone to nursery and she's bringing a whole load of germs back, so beautiful. So what is Irish cream brownie? It is an Irish cream ice cream with rich chocolate brownies and a decadent chocolate fudge swirl. A lot of people have problems making Irish cream ice cream because apparently you can't get a decent amount of flavour in, but I disagree. Anyway, if you want to see how we do it, stick around and we'll show you. We're going to start with the base. So put your milk, your sugars, which has got the stabiliser in it, mixed in well, your egg yolks and skim milk powder into a pan and gently heat up to 82 degrees C. That's to make sure that your eggs are cooked. Doing the custard this way will stop the need to temper them in a more traditional way, and it is much safer and easier to do. Once that's up to temperature, remove it from the heat and put in a container. Then add in your cream, your vanilla bean paste, and finally your Irish cream. I'm using Bailey's here. Give it a quick stir and then bury it under a rainbow. I mean, put it in a fridge for a few hours. While the base is in the fridge chilling, let's make the fudge. So for this, put your milk, your sugars and butter in a pan and heat it up until everything is melted. Then add in your cocoa powder and stir it in well, bringing it up to a decent boil and then turning it off. Finally, add in your vanilla extract and store it in a container in the fridge for later. When the base is fully chilled, churn it in your machine. In my Lilu 5030, this took 12 minutes for the full 1.2 litres of final product to churn. But your machine could take anywhere between 10 to 30 minutes. Whilst the ice cream is churning, chop up your brownies and keep them in the freezer until the loading phase. Finally, once everything is ready, get your fudge sauce, get your chopped brownies, and start loading up your tubs by layering each one in until it's full. Then put it in the freezer for a few hours until we're ready to try it. Check out that tub. Now, I don't know who this is. It's probably meant to be me drinking the entire bottle of Bailey's under a tree. But why would you not? It's pretty early in the morning. No better time to have some alcoholic ice cream. I'm going to dish them up, put it in a bowl, and we'll see what it looks like. And there we go. I mean, I can smell the Bailey's coming off of it, but you can see you've got loads of different things going on. You've got the fudge ripple going through there. You've got your brownies, that smell of Bailey's coming through. I'm gonna try some of this right now. I mean, if you go short on the actual Irish cream, you're never going to taste it. It's not the strongest of alcohols out there. Bailey's is, I think, 17%. So you have to add quite a bit, but by adding quite a bit, you're actually introducing a lot of water as well. So you need to account for that water somehow. So this recipe accounts for that by the addition of the skim milk powders, the stabilisers. They absorb that excess water, so you get a really nice creamy texture. And that's what you got here. You got a creamy ice cream, luxurious Bailey's taste to it. That fudge sauce is really nice, strong cocoa flavour to that, and those brownies, real nice chew to them. They don't disappear like some brownies do. A really nice chewy kind of brownie. This is a really nice combo, and I know it's a popular one for the Häagen Dazs fans out there, so definitely give this one a try if you're into this whole flavour. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, even though I have a stinking cold. It's probably tastes even stronger without the cold, so maybe I would say I'll not eat it all and try it again when the cold goes, but that's just not gonna happen. I'm gonna eat this all tonight, you know that. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week.